Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Acura MDX. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and ensure it's discoverable. Then, navigate to the phone menu on your MDX's central display. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and secure connection, allowing your car to find your phone easily. Follow these simple instructions to begin the pairing process. Once in the phone menu, select the option to connect phone or add new device. Your MDX will then search for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears on the car's display, select it. A pairing code will be shown on both your phone and the MDX screen. Confirm that these codes match. This security measure ensures you're connecting to the correct vehicle, establishing a secure link for calls and audio. After successful pairing, your MDX may ask to sync your phone's contacts and call history. Allow this for full functionality. Now, try making a hands-free call to confirm the audio quality and connection stability. You can also stream music or podcasts directly from your phone through the car's sound system. Enjoy the convenience and safety of integrated Bluetooth, keeping your focus on the road ahead. If you encounter any issues, a common fix is to delete the paired device from both your phone and the MDX, then restart the pairing process. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as software glitches can sometimes interfere with Bluetooth connections. For more tips and to explore other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home audio experience. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.